Welcome back to the expensive cars. Today, we have something truly special, a 2025 Toyota 4x4 camper van that's been modified into the ultimate luxury adventure machine. Off-road capability meets high-end comfort in a van that's ready to take you anywhere. Let's check it out. Toyota has built a solid reputation for durability, and this modified 4x4 camper van takes it up a notch. First, check out the lifted suspension and massive all-terrain tires, perfect for tackling any terrain. The matte black body with sleek LED light bars and roof racks gives it that rugged, yet premium look. And did I mention the custom-built side awning and pop-up roof? This isn't just a van, it's a rolling 5-star adventure suite. Now, let's talk luxury. The inside is fully customized with high-end leather seating, real wood accents, and an ultra-modern kitchenette. You've got a built-in induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, and even a compact refrigerator, because adventure doesn't mean sacrificing good food. And check this out, a smart control panel lets you manage lighting, temperature, and even the solar-powered battery system with just a touch. The sleeping area is no afterthought either. This fold-out memory foam bed is as comfortable as any luxury hotel. With panoramic windows, blackout curtains, and climate control, you can camp in total comfort, whether in the mountains or by the beach. Performance-wise, this Toyota 4x4 camper van is a beast. Under the hood, you'll find a modified 3.5L twin-turbo V6 with upgraded tuning for more power. It's got a reinforced chassis, skid plates, and an advanced four-wheel drive system that makes off-roading effortless. Plus, with a state-of-the-art air suspension system, you get a smooth ride no matter where you go. If you're looking for the perfect blend of off-road capability and luxury, this modified 2025 Toyota 4x4 camper van is it. It's built for adventure but designed for comfort. What do you think? Would you take this beast on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the world's most expensive and exciting cars. Until next time, stay adventurous.